power company let me know that they're going to start working on the gas line. That means instead of working on the engine, I'm going to have to take off the outdrive. One of the greatest joys in life for me is shopping for tools. Basic stuff. I need a little bit larger wrenches and the swivel bolt brackets and Torx big socket sets. Then I got a bigger wrench because I knew I'm going to hit some heavier bolts. I love tools. Two sizes, huh? Tools. Alright, let's try this out. They got 16 millimeter. That fits better than the 5/8 actually. That's a good exercise machine. Alright, so the bolts are off. Now I just gotta figure out where to put it. It's falling apart, it's green. Now we just pick it up. Alright, so just took the bolts off. Tried shaking this out and it's not really coming out very easily. So figured out a way to get that outboard off by not prying it with a big screwdriver. Lift up the outboard, put a board underneath, and as the weight comes down, it pushes the outboard off the screws. You don't want to stick a screwdriver in there to take the bolts out. So we'll use this. I don't know how strong that is. Now watch your feet. This is going to have to be sandblasted. I'm going to have to rebuild this whole thing. It had all this slimy, bubbly stuff. I mean, it looked like, who knows what it was, like slime. My God, look at the gook in there. Check this out. Eesh. Alright, let's put this thing over here. Alright. So, for the sake of towing this across the street, so they can fix the gas lines. I figured instead of taking off the hydraulics, just tie them up. what I had to do to tow it. Mission accomplished. School started today. I'm wondering how come I don't get paid for teaching when I'm actually here teaching. So I was technical support today, and frankly with 24 years of experience in the IT department building databases and programs, I'm surprised how difficult it was for me to get these guys online. It was mostly login protocols that I wasn't familiar with, but got it done. So I was going to climb in my boat, and my camera fell. Can't believe I dropped my camera. It fell. And it fell down into the driveway and broke. It doesn't recognize that the lens is attached. I'm also a camera repairman. Oh wow, it comes right off. Yeah. I have my now. So I think it's gonna do well. Now I get to keep making videos for you. Alright, so while I was waiting for the lens parts to dry, I went ahead and took off the exhaust manifolds. Solid iron, baby. So these look really good right here. They look really good at first, but the biggest rust, of course, being on the exhaust. Very dirty. Look at this. Oh boy. So now I can start working on that engine tomorrow. I might need to replace this, I don't know. I'll spray that a little bit. The seals are surprisingly good. I don't think I'm gonna have to worry about those. I'm gonna get these sandblasted. I gotta find a place that will do that. So, as you might have guessed, the camera works again. It was so unnerving to see that lens rolling down my driveway, but so yeah, it's an EOS Rebel T7 by Canon, and Canon lens, very good. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe, hit that bell so you get notifications, and comment. Leave me a comment on what you think so far, and I'll reply to those as soon as I can. Thanks for watching.